Jack magazine. Ready?
Molly copy. Game start will be 1 minute and 15 seconds. Stand by for 1 minute.
You guys can put mags in if you don't already.
Okay, so if Tan is starting on the floor below us across, we could just take out them as they come through. Unless they decide to come up the back stairs.
Seconds.
You guys know the spawning first floor right there.
I'm turning on your contour. Yeah. Dude, 30 seconds. Come on. As soon as they yell go, you want the contour. Fuck, that was a bad idea. Get up and move, get up and move. I got it.
Remember your back? Your back better?
Dead rig is on your head still.
Your dead rag's still on your head.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh.
Right up here. Careful. I know!
Don't cut your finger again.
Hell, we got our medical.
Here, Jules, give me the masking tape because I don't cut myself.
Yeah, he's giving inside.
I can't tell.
Second.
Hey, you move in and
Third.
Oh, it did? Oh, shit. No, I have it on. It lets me see where my babies are flying. No, I'm not. True mag not feeding.
We got the corners. We got the corners here. Just press them. Just pull. Okay, hold up. Wait for you to go.
Okay.
Don't
Yeah.
Jordan.
Off the wall there. No. So on the second floor, there's like a communications area. We need to We're gonna run this way on the right side, about 4 shots down.
Clear.
Eddie, does this keep
Door.
going?
Door.
Bathroom clear. There's a dead end. Out. There's a dead end.
Over.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Right off. And we'll switch across the door. Ready.
Wait, you guys are green?
Russian medic. Russian medic. Russian medic. Green medic. Green medic. Green medic. Green medic.
Green medic.
Green medic. I need a green medic.
Green medic.
Green medic.
Wait, no, he is multicam.
Green medic. Green medic.
Green medic.
Pull it. Green medic. Green medic. Green medic. Green medic. Russian medic. Russian medic. Russian medic. Russian medic. Medic. Russian medic. Medic. Russian medic. Russian medic. I'm bleeding. My organs. Oh, my skin's really cool. Medic! Green medic! Russian medic! Russian medic! Russian medic! Is there a way out through the back? We got it. That's the only way we can go. We got to keep moving. Yeah, let's go out through the back. Russian medic! Russian medic! Russian medic! Really? You guys are trying to make our way through the back hallway. Russian medic! Do it.
Which one?
Hey,
No.
Russian
Come here.
medic!
Come here. Which side? Am I hitting that side or this side?
I don't know.
There's definitely a guy over there,
Russian
but
medic!
I don't know if there's a guy on this side behind him.
You have to stay with
Russian medic!
Wait, don't go. Okay, here. Wait, there's still a guy farther away.
fired. Guys, can I have a first aid kit, please? Medic.
No, they're not. There's multicam.
That's one thing.
Oh, is it?
Medic! Russian medic! Russian! I'm down. Two! Russian medic! 3! I'm down. Medic! Green! Russian medic! Paramedic on. Need medic! Russian medic!
Coming in.
Need medic! Come in. Where's our medic? Sorry about that. He's right here. He's on the other side.
Yep. Jack, where are you?
I'm not medic now, I'm dead. Sorry about that. Where's the medic outside? Well, shit.
Cut! Right here. Get him.
Where?
And him, you dead.
I know. So is yours. Get back in. Okay, we're good. Hey, where'd the rest of 3-4 go? Are we pushing through the stairs or are we going back out? Oh shit, that's Tan across the street. Are we pushing down the stairs? Yeah, there's a stairwell back there. Go.
Funny. You shoot down, it skips off the ground and hits the glass like 100 yards away.
You're loading up over there, my friend.
Go. Okay. Loading. I forgot to load a mag. Wait, what are they doing in our regen?
Get out of the way. That's not our respawn.
Where's our respawn?
All the way to the other end.
Wait, we're in their regen?
Cease fire! Cease fire! Cease fire! Guys, come out. What's up? Alright, technically, we're spawn camping right now. We're going to parlay back a few scores, which puts us even closer to our objective.
Okay, there's spawns there?
Yeah. And our spawn, so we're moving.
Come on. Yeah, gotta get back. This is their spawn. We didn't even realize.
Cal? Yeah. This is the service hallway. Yeah. We can see this building right here. Right here or right here? Here. Here? Back here. This is the guys. Hold this avenue of approach. Get our guns up. Don't let them punch through this their corner. Get across too. This is like a bunch of retards fucking a football. Where's the server fucking room?
Okay. So we're gonna move across.
We're gonna watch this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like someone's having fun.
We don't know where 1 and 2 in the play.
Green coming in.
Watch the hallway, please. We got bogeys in the back here now.
Back here?
Yeah, there's a service hallway.
Here?
Pay attention to the front entrance. We got
Okay.
this back. We got 3 guys back.
I don't want to get back into the action.
Sean or Ray, are you on watch?
Circle 2, hold your ground. Do not let them in.
Contact!
Most of these guys are green, if I'm not mistaken.
All of these guys are green.
Who's, right, question, who's got to,
One guy's got to come over, he's got to do, he's just got to come with a SIM card and put on the laptop, and that's it. You got to confirm it, and that's it.
No, it's like a specific like person, like they have a someone doing it.
you got something?
Sean, this is Chief, do you copy?
Oh, yes.
Well, you guys have it?
Laptop, yeah, it was in here.
Can you relay to command?
Adam, where's the laptop?
Do not speak about that loudly. It's right there. Don't speak about that loudly.
Wait, does third platoon know?
I mean, if that's a laptop, I mean, I don't know. Fuck.
That's not a laptop.
I don't know. Adam said he had it. I don't know. Didn't see it. Wait a second. No, it's not. Here, it's part of this.
Okay, I was gonna say, because if it is, I'll radio command right now and tell him.
Adam.
That's not the laptop.
No, it's right here. Look. This was part of this. I didn't see it when you rolled it. See?
Oh my God.
Sorry, man. I didn't see what you were holding, so.
Well, they're gonna come up this back hall.
Alright,
Okay, they're clearly right on the other side of this wall. Ambush? Get back inside. Get back inside.
Ambush from who? From both sides?
Is that a laptop or is that
Is that Tan in the store next door?
sitting up here? False alarm, people. Adam does not have a laptop. There's like something on the fucking map. Like a prop laptop. Alright.
Yo, Jack! Where are they yelling ambush from?
There's a service hall. We're going to continue searching. Right now, all this is enemy territory.
Right there, right where we started. Their region, where we started, our region was on the opposite side.
So basically, they just switched sides so we'd all get into a firefight.
They're just shooting the glass.
We gotta hold this so they don't advance down this corridor.
Just let it fucking happen. I mean, if they try to get in here, I mean.
If we lose this position, we are doing our team a disservice.
So can somebody get a panel for each? There's somewhere we have.
So if they're coming up the service hallway, we should probably be covering the service hallway.
Yeah, but then technically we could be spawn camping.
Because they're going up and down the service hallway.
Okay, I'll go back there and take a look.
That's what I'm saying.
I got glass here, so it's gonna, as soon as they pop around the corner, it's gonna freak them out. They start shooting at me, but I mean, if you want to go down there.
We've driven them into that hallway that they can do with other people. Difference of opinion. You can go in there, you can check it out, you can see what you find and what you can do over there. I'm gonna stay out here. I'm gonna hold this ground up here.
How many of them are there? A few. Watch out. How far down the corridor?
Copy that.
How far down the corridor?
Cover. Just cover. I gotta reload.
Is that you?
That was me.
And somebody.